The soon-to-be BRP Diego Silang will still undergo final preparations, acceptance procedures, and commissioning before officially joining the Philippine Navy's active fleet.
Isa sa ilalim pa sa Technical Inspection and Acceptance o TIA ang bagong guided missile frigate ng Pilipinas bago tuluyang maisama sa active fleet ng Philippine Navy. Dito sinusuri ang kumpletong sistema ng barko mula sa makina, radar, armas at komunikasyon hanggang sa safety equipment. Kasama sa proseso ang Sea Acceptance Test kung saan sinusubok ang bilis, maneuverability at kapasidad ng barko habang naglalayag. Kasabay nito, isinasagawa rin ang pagsasanay at familiarization ng mga crew upang matiyak ang kanilang husay at pagiging handa sa paggamit ng mga makabagong sistema. Makakatulong ang bagong barko sa pagpapalakas ng kakayahan ng Pilipinas sa pagbabantay at pagtatanggol sa karagatan ng bansa.
Upon joining the active fleet, the 2nd Miguel Malvar class frigate will enhance the Philippine Navy's operational readiness, maritime domain protection, and capability to uphold a free, secure, and rules-based international order.
The overall posture that this will give to the Philippine Navy and the AFP is that we have more capable ships that could patrol our maritime domain for longer periods of time. And they are fully supported through our forward operating bases.
Kahapon sinalubong ang barko ng isa pang guided missile frigate na BRP Jose Rizal at ang BRP Gabriela Silang ng Philippine Coast Guard sa karagatan ng Botolan, Zambales para sa isang coordinated meeting procedure. Sumisimboliko ito bilang pagpupugay sa mag-asawang bayani na sina Diego at Gabriela Silang na nagiging inspirasyon ng pagkakaisa at pagpapakasakripisyo para sa bayan.
More than a routine encounter, the meeting of these vessels honors the legacy of Diego Silang and Gabriela Silang, symbolizing the spirit of heroism and unity that guides the Philippine Navy and Philippine Coast Guard in safeguarding the nation's sovereignty. The coordinated procedure also reinforced fleet interoperability, operational readiness, and the Navy's modernization efforts while highlighting the human side of service and the shared dedication of generations of maritime officers.
Kapag opisyal na itong naisama sa active fleet ng Philippine Navy, tatawagin itong BRP Diego Silang o FFG-07. Disyembre ng taong 2021, lumagda ang Department of National Defense at Hyundai Heavy Industry sa 28 billion pesos para sa dalawang barko. Nauna nang dumating sa bansa ang BRP Miguel Malvar FFG-06 noong Abril. Ang Miguel Malvar class ay idinisenyo na may kakayahan sa anti-air warfare, anti-surface, anti-submarine at maritime patrol and surveillance. Samantala, ipinahayag ni Rear Admiral Trinidad na naisumiti na nila ang kanilang rekomendasyon tungkol sa 6 na Abukuma-class destroyer escorts na inalok ng Japan. Nagsagawa ng Joint Visual Inspection o JVI ang mga eksperto ng Philippine Navy upang suriin ang kondisyon, kakayahan at sistema ng mga barko para matukoy kung gaano pa katagal itong maaaring magamit, ano ang mga bahagi na kailangang i-upgrade at magkano ang posibleng gastos ng pamahalaan para rito.
The Joint Vessel Inspection Team arrived, I think that was last month. The Philippine Navy has submitted the recommendation to higher headquarters. It is probably most likely undergoing deliberation now at the level of Joint Headquarters or Department of National Defense. Whatever the result of that deliberation, the appropriate public affairs announcement will be given.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.